All right, so here you go. If you did do the DC book cover challenge and you watched this video, you followed these instructions or these instructions, please go ahead and submit your DC book cover. Select your file, show us your final product, link to the design cuts, link to this page, because we want to pay it forward. We want to say thank you, Design Cuts, for this tutorial and link out to them in order to raise their rankings on Google, simply because you couldn't have done it without them, right? So go ahead and do that. You don't have to write about any of the steps. You don't have to put any words in here. I just want your image and your URL. And then you call me over and you show me your layered Photoshop stack. I want to see everything you did and show me this final product. You need to have followed the instructions. That's kind of important. There are some great skill sets that they teach. Please, please, please call me over. Let's talk about it, right? Before you click that continue button. Have fun.